The Alchemist, Paulo Coelho, a shepherd's journey to find a treasure teaches him about destiny and dreams. You will not believe what we are about to reveal right now. This is one of the most searched and most misunderstood topics out there, and we are breaking it down step by step so you never have to worry about it again. The Alchemist is a profound, enchanting tale of Santiago, a young Andalusian shepherd, driven by recurring dreams of a hidden treasure near the Egyptian pyramids. He embarks on a quest that transcends mere material wealth as he learns about the spiritual essence of life and the importance of listening to one's heart. Coelho's narrative intertwines the shepherd's journey with philosophical reflections on the universe's purpose and the harmony of nature. Santiago's journey is laden with symbolic encounters, including a wise king named Melchizedek, who introduces him to the concept of a personal legend, one's destiny or life's purpose. It is the first transformative insight that Santiago learns, emphasizing that everyone has a unique path to follow, and true happiness comes from pursuing that destiny. As Santiago continues, he meets an Englishman seeking the secrets of alchemy, revealing the book's second transformative insight, the idea that all things are interconnected, much like the elements alchemists strive to transform. This interconnectedness teaches Santiago about the soul of the world, a spiritual force binding all creation. The third transformative insight comes when Santiago works at a crystal shop in Tangier. Through his experiences, he learns about resilience and the courage needed to persevere in the face of adversity. This part of the journey reinforces the notion that the pursuit of dreams requires both patience and sacrifice. The shopkeeper's stagnant life serves as a cautionary tale against abandoning one's dreams. A pivotal, memorable moment occurs during Santiago's time in the desert when he meets the alchemist. This mysterious figure becomes his mentor, guiding him in understanding the language of the world and the alchemical process of turning lead into gold, a metaphor for personal growth and fulfillment. Their journey together through the desert represents a deeper exploration of the book's themes, culminating in Santiago's realization that true treasure lies within. The desert, with its vastness and challenges, becomes a backdrop for Santiago's self-discovery and transformation. Paulo Coelho, the author, hails from Brazil. With his rich cultural heritage and diverse background, Coelho infuses The Alchemist with universal themes that resonate with readers worldwide. His own life story reflects the book's exploration of destiny and dreams, as Coelho pursued his passion for writing despite numerous obstacles. This authenticity adds layers of depth to the narrative, making Santiago's quest feel personal and relatable. The Alchemist holds profound relevance today as it speaks to the timeless human pursuit of purpose and fulfillment. In an era where many grapple with existential questions and the pressures of modern life, Coelho's work serves as a reminder of the importance of introspection and spiritual awakening. The story encourages readers to listen to their hearts, confront their fears, and strive for their personal legends despite societal constraints. The actionable takeaway from The Alchemist is the power of pursuing one's dreams with unwavering faith and resilience. Santiago's journey teaches us that the path to fulfillment is not always direct or easy, but the trials and lessons learned along the way are invaluable. By trusting the process and listening to the world around us, much like Santiago, we too can find our treasure and realize our true potential. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.